It's Shaheen Afridi from the pavilion end, and he's told probably just catching the eye line of Alex Davis, the batsman. Anyway, here is Afridi, and he's bowled down the leg side, wides, 13 extras on the board, but they only ended with 14. Here is Shaheen again. This is Yorker length and out. It is an LBW decision, and Shaheen stands with his arms wide open, looking up at the sky. LBW, and where normally you see stumps go cartwheeling, this time you saw an interesting start to the innings. 5 wides and then a wicket. Here's Afridi in again. He's bowling! It's another one. It's 2 in 2. Afridi with the trademark celebration again, and Benjamin trying a scoop paddle shot off his first ball to Shaheen Shah.
It's one of those ones, if it comes off, you say, wow, that was brave, and he's got the full reward from it. He's been fearless, but he gets out in that sort of
situation for Dan Mosley to be facing. We've had 2 legal deliveries of the innings, and the board says 5 for 2. Shaheen Afridi is on a hat-trick. I'm surprised the crowd are not a little bit more into it. Well, they're getting into it now. Here comes the clapping. But Mosley, perhaps wisely, has just taken his time, and he's backed 2 or 3 yards away from the crease before going and taking his guard once again. Here comes Shaheen Afridi on a hat-trick, backed by the Trent Bridge crowd. In he comes, and it's edged away. And Mosley survives the hat-trick ball as Lyndon James does the fielding down at third. And it's a single. 6 for 2. It's been an exciting first over.
Yeah, absolutely has. Yeah, I wonder how Robbie Yates feels as he goes to face his first ball here. I'm honest, I wouldn't be fancying it.
No. Shaheen Afridi looks pretty fired up as he's coming in from that far end again now. And bowls, and this is dabbed down again by Yates to the same sort of area as Mosley played that last one, and Lyndon James fields again, and they get another single. But it is just the start. You were talking, Grace, at the end of the Notts innings about momentum and how those runs late on from Tom Moores had just given the team momentum. And they've certainly shown that in the first over. Shaheen Afridi has maintained that momentum with the ball. Mosley to face again. He's on 1. It's 7 for 2 in the first over. And Mosley... Oh, catch! What a catch! That is a stunning catch from Ollie Stone. Down low to his right, one-handed. It's a magnificent take. And Shaheen Afridi's got 3 wickets in the first over. Mosley, I don't think, can believe it. Ollie Stone with a magnificent take. I was going to say out of the air, but just about off the ground, as low as you can get. Magnificent catch. And Birmingham are 7 for 3 in the bowling team in the space of the first 5 balls of this extraordinary start. And the crowd right behind Afridi again as he's coming in to bowl to Ed Barnard. In comes Afridi. Unbelievable stuff. 4 wickets in the first over. Barnard goes for a golden duck. And Afridi races away down towards the Radcliffe Road stand, and the players, the rest of the fielders, chase after him to celebrate. This is just unbelievable. What a start. Afridi has 4 in the first 7 for 4.
It's getting silly now, isn't it, really, Colin? He's taken off.